Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're all good. In our last video, we have developed our first AI tool with the WordPress in less than 10 minutes. So one of our subscribers asked to create an AI image generator tool with WordPress. So today we are diving into AI generated images. We are making a website that uses AI to create the cool picture based on your prompt. And guess what? No need for any coding skills. So get ready, we make an AI tool for making cool image from your ideas. So this is a video you wanted and it's happening now. Hit subscribe and let's dive into the world of AI magic together. Ready, set, go. Hi guys, this is Ahmed from Journeysignals. So this is how your tool going to work. Just enter the prompt and hit generate image. And boom, you got an image. You can download your image by clicking the download button over here. That's it. So that image will be downloaded from your site. That's it guys, this is the tool you're going to build now. Don't worry, I'm going to give the complete script for you. You don't need any coding knowledge. Just follow my instruction, just copy paste the script, and in less than 10 minutes you will have the AI generator image tool in your hand. Let's start. So just go to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and add new. So once you click add new, just search for the plugin called WP Coder. So this is the plugin we are going to use to run the code. So just install or activate. So once it's activated, we can just scroll down. On the left hand side you will find the plugin called Wow. So just click WP Coder. So we can click on add new, and you can give the name for your tool. So in my case we are going to generate the AI generated image. So I'm giving the name as AI generated image. Yeah. So now you need HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So don't worry, I'm going to give the entire script to you so that you can copy paste here. So just go to the journeysignals.com and you can scroll down and you will find the post how to create an AI image with the WordPress in 5 minutes. So if you want an article type, you can read this entire article, you will get the step-by-step knowledge. So in this blog I have explained each and every line of the code, how to create your AI image. So just scroll down and you will find the code over here. So this is your HTML code. Just copy your entire HTML script. So just copy and go to the WP coder and paste it over here. The same side, just do it same for the CSS. Where HTML is the structure for your website by getting your input from a user. So CSS is just a style for website which improve the user interface. Just copy the CSS code and paste it over here, and just move to the JS code. So just scroll down, you will find the JS code as well. So copy and go to WP coder and paste it over here. Now you can click save changes. So once you click on save changes, now you will get a shortcode for this code. So now we got your shortcode. So just copy this code and you can go to your WordPress. Just you can go to your WordPress site and click on add new and add page, and you can give the name of your tool. So I'm giving a free AI image generator. So just click on add block and search for shortcode. Here it is. Then just paste your code here. That's it guys, simple. So you can click preview new tab, and this is your tool. Just enter any prompt and click generate image. So we are getting the error message. To overcome this error, we are going into the important and main step, that is integrating your code with OpenAI API. So if you don't have any OpenAI account, you can just create one. I'll give the link in the description, so you can directly take you to that page where you can create your account. So just go to API keys in your left hand side, and you can create a new secret key over here. Just create new secret key, and you can give the name of your key. That's it. So create secret key. So you will get the secret key now. For security purpose, the key will be visible only once, so that you can copy and paste in some other place, safety place, so we can use further. Just copy the copy API key and click done. Then now go to the WP coder. Before that, I'll explain the code in an article. Just scroll down. I have explained each and every steps in this blog. So if you have any doubt, you can go through from here. So here I have mentioned every steps. So here I mentioned that we have to replace your key. So this is where you this is the place where you need to replace your key. To find it, go to the WP code. In JS code, you can click your API key, and you can replace your API key over here. That's it, super simple. So once you have copy paste your key, click save changes. So again, you can go to your tool, refresh the page, enter or paste your prompt over here, click generate image. Yes, now it's working. Just if your user want to download the image, they can just click on download button over here. The image will be downloaded. They can save by clicking the right click in the mouse and click save images. So this is how you can create your AI image generator in less than 10 minutes, and it is super cool. I hope this video is useful for you, and if you have any tool suggestion or any ideas, just comment on below. We will look in further videos. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful. So if you found the video useful, you can just subscribe the channel and turn on the bell notification for the future updates. Thank you, and share the video.